hover over an email, you'll notice that we have three options: an envelope, a flag, and a pin. Now the envelope is simply a toggle for marking as read or unread. But what about the flag and the pin? Well, in this video, we're going to show you how to use these and the differences between these two options. So flagging an email, how do you do it? Well, you simply go and click on the flag and it appears in that default red color. Now, what does it do? Well, it's a nice way to provide a visual cue. It stands out from the rest of your emails. But another thing that it does is it synchronizes with your to-do list. So let's take a look. If we move now to our to-do list on the left-hand panel on our screen, you'll notice here that there is a flagged email section. And you can see it's added to your to-do list. In my particular case, it's a good thing because now I have payment of my electricity bill in my to-do list. Now, if you want to remove that from your to-do list, you can remove it there, or simply by clicking on the flag again and deflagging it, that will also remove it from your to-do list. Now, what about pinning an email? What does that do? Well, hover over your email and you'll see the pin. Click that pin. What it actually does is it keeps that email at the top of your inbox list. I'll demonstrate. I've just prepared a test email that I'm going to send to myself. And when I click send, it goes through the sending process. And as you can see here, it hasn't gone to the top of the list. That has been occupied by the pinned email. So pinning emails is a great way to once again get that visual cue, visual clarity, and to work on those more important emails as somewhat of a forcing system. So both flagging and pinning emails both have their unique characteristics and are both very, very useful to ensure that you're working on your top priorities at a given time. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, or comment, and happy emailing.